Imagine having all of this, not as a dream, but as your everyday lifestyle. Prime location, villa-style homes, getting what you see, fresh air always, close connection with nature, low-density living, lakefront views, spacious lifestyle homes, numerous indoor and outdoor amenities, expansive clubhouse with dedicated sports arena, exclusive community. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, at Cityville by Wallmark, all of this is ready for you to see. So if the constant rush of city life feels overwhelming, but you still wish to stay well connected, this is the home that offers the best of both worlds. Great connectivity and a tranquil escape where every view, breeze and sunrise connects you back to nature. Most expansive villas are located on the outskirts of the city, and thus a distinctive advantage of Cityville is its strategic location in the heart of South Bengaluru, just off Bannerghatta Road, near Royal Meenakshi Mall. It is conveniently located 10 minutes from prime neighborhoods like JP Nagar and 15 minutes from Jayanagar. The project offers excellent connectivity with two upcoming metro stations, Talena Agrahara and Hulimavu on the Pink Line. Set in one of Bengaluru's most sought-after micro-markets, this location already has a well-established social and retail infrastructure in place. With rapid development all around, this could be one of your last opportunities to own a spacious home without being surrounded by a concrete jungle. A host of reputed educational institutions, including Vibgyor High School, Euro Kids Preschool, Greenwood High Preschool, Orchids the International School, Narayana PU College, are accessible within 20 minutes. Leading hospitals such as Fortis and Apollo are also just 20 minutes away, while popular shopping destinations are within easy reach. Developed by the renowned Wallmark Group, this project serves as a 28-acre oasis nestled between the 128+ acres Hulimavu and Chandrasekhar layout lakes, with a rocky hill providing an island-like ambience. So in 200+ acres around you of peace and tranquility and only 544 homes, the project provides an exceptional sense of space with ample greenery and a bright, airy environment. Its location along the banks of the 100+ acres Hulimavu Lake further enhances the project's serene environment. Currently undergoing a rejuvenation process, the lake is home to migratory birds, adding to the area's connection with nature. Avilament seamlessly combines the comfort, spaciousness and privacy of a villa with the amenities, security and sense of community typically offered by a premium apartment complex. Cityville offers a harmonious blend of luxury and nature, designed as a low-rise development that cohesively blends into its natural surroundings. The project minimizes disruption to the earth. There's minimal digging and soil erosion, and no underground parking in a bid to preserve biodiversity and retain groundwater levels. Sustainability lies at the core of the project's plan, with eco-friendly features such as rainwater harvesting, solar water heating, effective waste management thoughtfully implemented into the design. With just 19 homes per acre, the project offers low-density living, away from the overcrowded concrete jungles of typical apartment complexes, which usually cram 100+ units per acre. Phase 1 of Cityville is already complete, with over 212 families calling it home. The project offers over 35 world-class amenities, which is what brings it to life. From a scenic lakeside cafe lounge to a dedicated aerobic studio terrace overlooking serene waters, there's something for everyone to enjoy here. The community offers a 20,500 square feet clubhouse called Leisureville, with a gym, swimming pool, steam and sauna, library, co-working space and dedicated zones for fitness, leisure and celebrations. There are also a host of indoor sports facilities within the 9,000+ square feet Gamesville that houses a squash court, badminton court and more. Nature lovers will delight in over 300 fruit-bearing trees, and the area has also become a home to migrating birds. Other unique features include pickleball courts, a skating rink and the engaging tree court. Kids and adults alike will love the immersive video game zone, while the furry companions will have their own space at Petsville. The villaments at the project feature spacious 3 BHK duplex and 4 BHK triplex homes thoughtfully designed to create a multi-level living experience. Each home features private terraces, rooftop gardens, and expansive floor plans. Curated with Vastu principles and privacy in mind, these homes are architectural masterpieces that ensure abundant natural sunlight and ventilation throughout. If you are drawn to the charm of a spacious villa but also want the convenience and amenities of a premium apartment, the Villamins at Cityville offer the perfect blend of both. The project's proximity to prominent employment hubs, educational institutions, healthcare centers, and shopping destinations adds to its appeal for both professionals and families. The upcoming metro stations are likely to further boost connectivity in the area.